so that bolt we just took out, we're going to put that back in. It's going to hold this thing in place. And looks like one right here too, but that must be just a self-tapper. Okay, according to our directions, looks like that is actually a self-tapper, this one down here. So we'll just get these ones going, get a nice line, get these other ones in, and we should be good to go.
Right now with the light shining in there. Or even need a view right there.
Oh yeah. So, she's on the wall. There, it's not too tight. What do we got here?
We can see that one now. And then you can see this one perfect. So there you go.
Close it up.
Here. Because you got a little gap right here. It's cold.
Yeah, I think that's pretty close. I'll just tuck this one down.
Turn that torque down a little more. Just plastic or something.
There we go. There you go, guys. We got the first one on. She looks nice.
Tighten that one up.
This one?
Yeah, it's loose.
Hey, you don't point out my flaws. Alright guys, so we're going to put the next one on, obviously right here, and apparently the little piece goes down here somewhere. We'll figure that out. And if you don't watch what you're doing with a pressure washer, you get a can A.
I think what they mean is put them in first.
Yeah, put them in and then tighten up.
Yeah.
Make sure you have everything lined up fairly well. Alright, you got your little light on this? And maybe that screw thing, because I... Which one are you looking at?
I think this one right here.
Okay, so
slide it up.
doesn't it seem like low? Here, go look at it again. Oh yeah, right there.
Well, once you screw it in, it'll push.
Oh yeah, so you gonna grab some of those?
Oh, jiggly jibs. Oh, she right in there. I like perfect.
Centered.
Go right here.
It's gotta be close. Yeah, these screws are basically fucked.
Yeah, I know. Right there.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is that sweet, beautiful bean food.
Alright, so where's the nut at? You gotta grab a nut?
You know these nuts?
Give me another bolt.
Alright guys, so we got the front one on and the back one's in place, all bolted down. There's 3 bolts, or yeah, 3 bolts. What are they, T40s? No. Alright guys, now that Justin's, oh shit, here he is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're probably going to have a few more videos like this coming out. I think we're going to do a few more things with this rack, hopefully soon, very soon. We're going to mount the high lifter jack. I got the mounts already for that. So yeah, might be the next video that we do. And I might have to powder coat this. So stay tuned. You want me to say that? No.